Gen Z, it's time to rethink how we approach work and wealth in 2024. Forget the old 9-to-5 grind. Today you have more tools, technology, and opportunities to build multiple income streams than ever before. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 side hustles that are perfect for you, whether you're saving for your future, paying off debt, or just want extra cash for that dream lifestyle. Watch until the end to discover how these hustles can kickstart your financial freedom. 1. Freelance social media management. Every business needs social media to survive, but not all of them have time to manage it. As a Gen Z, you're already familiar with platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Turn that expertise into a side hustle. You can charge $500, $1,500 a month per client for creating posts, analyzing engagement, and building their brand. Start by offering services to small businesses in your area, or even influencers looking to scale their presence. 2. Content creation. You don't need millions of followers to make money as a content creator. Platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok's Creator Fund offer revenue sharing programs. You can also land sponsorships by creating niche content, whether it's fitness, gaming, or lifestyle. Start small by using your smartphone and focusing on consistent uploads. Remember, quality beats quantity. 3. Selling print-on-demand merchandise. Platforms like Etsy or Redbubble allow you to sell custom designs without holding inventory. Simply create designs using tools like Canva, upload them, and let the platform handle printing and shipping. This is great for anyone with a creative flair and works passively once set up. 4. Online tutoring. Are you skilled in math, science, or even art? You can earn $20, $50 per hour by tutoring online. Websites like VIPKid or Wyzant connect you to students worldwide. It's flexible and allows you to work around your main commitments. 5. Reselling thrift finds. Thrift stores and garage sales are gold mines for unique items. Flip vintage clothes, sneakers, or furniture on platforms like eBay or Depop for significant profits. Gen Z loves sustainability, so this hustle not only earns you cash, but also aligns with trending values. Side hustles are more than just extra income. They're the building blocks of financial independence. Whether you start small or go all in, remember that every hustle is a step toward your dream lifestyle. So which hustle are you starting first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone looking for inspiration.